In this video, I'll be showing you how to put on a screen protector on your Nintendo Switch 2. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, I just got this Nintendo Switch 2 a few days ago, and I don't have a screen protector on it right now. So if you want to, you can just go ahead and get one, and I have this one right here. This is the official one that comes with the Nintendo Switch 2 if you get the bundle that has a case in it, but you can also get a separate one as well. So I'm basically just going to go ahead and open this up right now. Sorry if you can hear like the rustling noise. I know that might be kind of annoying, but you're going to get a few different things out of this little packet, if that thing can come out right now as well. Okay, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is firstly take off your Joy-Cons. Just put them to the side or anything like that. Just put them away because we only want to be focusing on this screen right now. Next, we're going to get this little cloth. So just go ahead and clean your screen properly. Make sure there's no dust left on it and make sure there's no smudges. Anything like that, obviously, you're not going to want that permanently on your screen. So I'm just going to play it flat down. And again, don't touch the screen while you're doing this because you don't want any thumbprints, anything like that, to just be permanently behind your screen. Now, if you don't know what this is, basically, this is meant to collect dust. So we're just going to peel this off right now, just like so. And then really carefully, all I want to go ahead and do is literally just go like this and collect any dust that you see on your screen. Make sure to get the edges as well because you really don't want to be leaving any dust. So you literally just apply it, just keep tapping it in areas, center of the screen, any place you basically just go ahead and see dust. That's where you want to apply it. Now, once you're done with that, you're going to have your screen protector. So you're going to see number 1 and number 2. So all I want to do is on the number 1 side, go ahead and peel this off. Now this is the part that's tricky for a lot of people, and you basically just want to go ahead and as precisely as possible align the screen protector with your Switch 2 screen. So try and get it as precise as possible, and then once you have, go ahead and put it down firmly. And then what you want to go ahead and do is lift the number 2 side from the back like so. Slowly, don't rush this. And then just let the air bubbles basically leave your screen. And if there are any air bubbles left, what you can do is get any credit card or any card that doesn't come with, you know, the Switch 2 or the Switch 2 screen protector, unfortunately. And you're basically just going to have to try and push out any of the air bubbles that you see on the screen. So you just like push them outwards like so. You can even leave it for a few minutes because sometimes air bubbles just take a bit of time to go away from your screen. Already a lot of them are going. If you have any big ones, don't worry, you can push them out too. As you can see, a lot of them are just disappearing now. So yeah, just keep doing this until all the air bubbles are out. And then that's it. That's how you apply this screen protector. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out other videos that we've been posting on the Switch 2 on the channel as well.